Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sony WH-CH510 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Windows PC. At first, click this Windows icon over here, then click this settings icon, then hold and click devices. Here click on add Bluetooth order device. Here click Bluetooth. And now you have to go into pairing mode. Make sure that your headphones are powered off and now hold your power button for 7 seconds. Now, wait a moment. As you can see, my headphones are over here. We have to click on them. And now we are ready to use our headphones on our Windows PC. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.